Or we can open the lift with just my key. Okay, that's how it looks like. I want to open it entirely, but I'm kind of scared. The alarms will go off and the security guard will come.
Didn't even get to cross.
Okay, good morning to one and all. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's just a beautiful sound that this bike makes, and I love it. I love that thing about this bike. Okay, so good morning to one and all. So today I'm gonna speak about why I chose this bike over other bikes available in the market. So first of all, this is my first bike. I bought this bike when I just turned 18. I'm currently 20, so it's been 2 years I've been using this bike, and I do not regret my decision. I love this bike. So that's a really crazy story behind this. Well, I guess I was in 10th standard when I came back to India after a long time. So I was with my dad, and I was in this parking garage. I mean, of the society where my father's friend was. So in the parking, I saw a beautiful bike. At the time I didn't knew a damn about a bike. The first time I saw an R15, I absolutely fell in love with it. I fell in love with the looks. I didn't know whether the bike was a 1000cc or 150 or 250, what the capacity was, how much the horsepower is. I didn't know nothing about it. I didn't know whether this was a Yamaha or not. I was just so uneducated about bikes. I just I used to have those notebooks which had like a sports bike cover on them. So there was a Ducati on that, I remember. So so I always wanted to have one, like we all dream of having a sports car. So I always wanted one, but I didn't have that much knowledge about these bikes. So I was with my dad, and I saw this R15. I saw the rear part of it on the, I guess, near the rear side it was written Delta Box. So I thought the bike's name is Delta Box, and I was like, Dad, I need a Delta Box. I need a Delta Box. I want a Delta Box when if you further shift in India. And he was like, all right. Now I remember, and I think that that was just so stupid of me. It was a Yamaha and not a Delta Box. If my dad would have known, he would have got me a frame, the chassis of the R15. So that's it. This is why this is my first experience looking at the R15. So the first thing that attracted me was basically the looks of the bike. Yes, this is one of the sexiest looking bikes you can find in India. And when I bought this bike, I guess RC200 was not launched. I bought in May 2014, and RC was launched in September 2014, I guess. So yes, RC was out of the option at that time, and I had like two options, Duke 200 and this. But the riding position and everything, I was like so attracted to it, the looks and everything. So I decided to go for this. Even CBR was there, but CBR it didn't appeal to me. It didn't look that great, and it was I don't know why it was expensive than R15. This was for like 1,25,000 I bought this bike for, and that was like 1,40,45. I don't know why they're charging like 20,000 extra for that, because they're almost similar, but this is like way better than this. I'm proud to say that I have the best 150cc bike in the world. Yeah, I don't think there's any bike that comes close to this. best in the class. So yeah, as I was saying, the design of this bike is so, you know, well made that it does not feel old even after this bike has released after, you know, even after this bike is like many years old in the market, still the design feels really new. Because normally, you know, the design gets old very soon, even after like 3-4 years. It's like, it feels really old. But this bike, even in 2016, it feels that as if this bike was made last year. The design never seems old, never feels old. So I highly recommend this bike for beginners who have just, you know, finished 12. They have got the license and they want a beginner sports bike, you know. So if you are looking for R15, definitely go for it. You know, there are no any big drawbacks on this bike. And you know, you won't regret this. You won't regret buying this bike. So yeah, that's it, guys. This was just a short vlog I made to tell you why I bought this bike when I first saw this bike. Hope you guys like it. Make sure that you hit the like button. Make sure that you share it with your friends, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe. Bye bye.